Bing Chat is a new feature that has been introduced by Microsoft to its mobile browser, Edge, and dedicated Bing app. The feature allows users to have a chat session with Bing AI and get the desired results through a conversational interface. In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to use Bing Chat on your mobile device, specifically iOS and Android. Steps to use Bing Chat on your mobile device, iOS and Android. Join the Bing AI waitlist. First, you need to join the Bing AI waitlist to use Bing Chat on your mobile device. To join the waitlist on mobile, open the Bing app and click the Join the Waiting List button on the home screen. Log into your Microsoft account and follow the instructions. 3. Download the Bing app or update it. Once you have been accepted from the waitlist, you can download the Bing app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have the Bing app installed, make sure to update it to the latest version to use the Bing Chat feature. 1. Open the Bing app. After downloading or updating the Bing app, open it on your mobile device. Start the conversation. Once you tap on the Bing icon, you can start the conversation with Bing AI. You can ask questions, do a complex search, and make refinements in the chat. The AI will provide you with reliable and up-to-date results and complete answers to your questions. You can also follow up on your search and get amazed by the accuracy of the AI. Conclusion: using Bing Chat on your mobile device can help you get the desired results in a conversational manner. By following the above steps, you can easily use Bing Chat on your mobile device, be it iOS or Android. Join the waitlist, download or update the Bing app, tap on the Bing icon, and start the conversation with Bing AI to get the desired results.